Hey guys, this is Ian from RepairTech, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about TechWARU reports. So the first thing we're going to need to do is create a super simple queue and run it. So I booted up TechWARU here. I'm going to type in a customer name here, and a ticket number, 123 is fine, and I'm going to select myself as the tech. Click continue, and then what I'm going to do is just run a super simple queue. Let's just run some stuff that won't take long. How about we can clear the recycle bin, since I think I have some stuff in there. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to click run here, and it's going to run through each tool, download it if necessary, and then move on. And at the end, we will get a report. So we'll just give it a second here while it clears out the recycle bin. And there we go. We get our brand new TechWARU report. So we can see the customer name, the ticket number, who worked on it, when it happened, how many tools were run, how long it took to run these tools, and then it gives you some basic information about the computer. So we have information about the operating system, hardware info, so for example, what video card driver I have, some information about the network, some alerts. So for example, I have an old version of Internet Explorer here and I need to upgrade it. And then it gives me some information about each of the tools. And at this point, what I want to do real quick is I want to point out one feature, which is open in default browser. So I can go ahead and click that, and then it will open the report locally. So you can see it's a local file path in my default browser, and this is a little bit easier of a viewing experience. So I can view it here. It's the exact same report. But we have battery info view here. It gives us a little table about my laptop's battery. We ran get product keys, so it'll give me my Windows keys, and we can see those, keep them for clients. We ran list installed apps, so it runs, and it tells me about all the different applications installed on the computer, their versions, and some of the vendor URLs if I want to upgrade them. I ran blue screen view, so I could see if I had any mini dumps. Apparently I did, so there's some issues that I need to look at and perhaps fix. I ran clear proxy settings. Basically, what this is for is if you had malware, a lot of the time they change the proxy settings on the computer so you can't access the internet, and so this clears those settings out for you. It tells you what was run, so for example, it tried to find out if this registry value existed. It wasn't found, so it moved on. And it ran, this command, for example. I then emptied the recycling bin, and it cleared out 77 megabytes of space. So you can see here that this is a pretty general report. There are some, if you want to print this out, for example, and you don't care about the alerts, you can click this little icon here, and it will collapse the section. Likewise, if you only care about system cleanup, for example, you can select that there, and it will only show tools for system cleanup or system information or whatever you want. You can select all, which is selected by default as well. So these reports are pretty cool. They also scale to any size screen, so you can view them on your phone, and they'll look like this. So they're completely scalable, and we can also upload them to Tech Portal. So if I click this upload report button here, it will upload it to our Tech Portal account. That way we can save it there, print it out later if we need to, keep it for our records, just in case the client has a question, oh, what was my CD key on Windows or something along those lines. So this was a general overview of TechWARU reports. Let us know if you have any questions.